Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a straight-through patch cable. Before we get started on making this activity, make sure that you have the necessary tools and decide whether we're going to use the Cat5e or Cat6 network cables. In our case, we're going to use the Cat6 network cable. So, what we're gonna need in performing this activity, we need the unshielded twisted pair or our Cat6 patch cable, the modular connector for our patch cable. We have this RG45 connector, and we have the crimping tool. And also, we're gonna need the cable tester to test the wire. There are 4 pairs of wires in an Ethernet cable, and an Ethernet connector 8PHC has 8 pin slots. Each pin is identified by a number starting from left to right with the clip facing away from you. So this is the pin number 1, this one, the pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, and pin number 7. Then the last one is the pin number 8. The two standards for wiring Ethernet cables are T568A and T568B. The T568B is the most common and what we'll be using for our straight Ethernet cable. Let's start the step-by-step process in making the straight-through patch cable. Step number 1. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end. Okay, so if this is your patch cable, so we're going to use the stripper, so this one, and then we're going to strip this cable jacket, this one, or this is the insulator, 1.5 inch down from the end. So 1.5 from here going down. Okay, so we're done with the step number 1. Okay, so let's proceed to step number 2. Spread the 4 parts of twisted wire apart. For Cat6 or Cat5e, you can use the pull string to strip the jacket further down if you need to. Then cut the pull string. But for our Cat6e or for our Cat6 cables, we have a spine that will also need to be cut. So this spine, we should cut this one. So let's proceed to the step number 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them in the T568B orientation. Be sure not to untwist them any further down the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much as the cable twisted as possible. So remember the color coding in our T568B. We're going to untwist these wires. so this one, I already arranged the wires in their colors. So from white, orange, okay, and then this white, green, the blue, white, blue, the green, the white, brown, and the brown. So this color coding is used in our T56FB orientation, or in our straight through patch cable. Okay, our step number 4, cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Okay, so 0.5 inch above from our cable jacket. So from here, so half of inch, we're going to cut this using our crimper, or our crimping tool. Okay, so half of inch or half an inch from our cable jacket, then cut this one. Okay, so we're done with our step number 4. Let's proceed to our step number 5. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, or our RG45, and then making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the connector. Okay, so this is our RG45 connector. And remember our pin number here. Make sure that the wires in your cable, or in your Cat6 cable, is visible in this part. Okay, it is visible here. Okay, so we're done with our step number 5. Let's proceed to step number 6. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. Okay, so this is our crimper. Okay, we're going to squeeze this crimper all the way down. Okay, so we're done in our first phase in making the straight through or patch cord, straight through patch cable. So let's proceed to our second phase in making this activity. Okay, so let's proceed to our step number 8. To make sure you've successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a cable tester to test each pin. Okay, so we're going to use our cable tester, this one. Okay, so this end we're going to put this one here. This is for the RJ45 terminal or port. This is for the RJ11. So this is for telephone. And the other end, we're going to put this one here. Okay, and turn on our the cable tester. When you're all done, the connectors should look like this. That's it. For crossover cables, simply make one end of the cable at T568A and the other end at T568B. Now you can make Ethernet cables of any length, fix broken connectors, or make yourself a crossover cable. Happy crimping!